Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will clearly explain the syllabus for the Cisco Authorized Connected Grid Engineer Knowledge Verification exam so you can plan your study time effectively. This exam covers 4 equally weighted domains, each worth 25%, Unified Communications, Security, Wireless, and Foundation, and the overall assessment is conceptual and scenario-based with medium difficulty. Total estimated learning time across domains is 33 hours, so you can target study blocks for each area. Expect to practice positioning solutions, understanding architecture, and applying real-world scenarios rather than deep command line detail. Unified Communications is 25% of the exam and focuses on identifying and positioning Cisco collaboration solutions for small to medium-sized businesses, with medium difficulty and about 8 hours of study recommended. You will learn the value proposition of Cisco Business Edition 6000, including virtualization capabilities, system scale and how core collaboration applications map to mid-market needs. The syllabus also covers collaboration endpoints and IP phones, explaining video features, soft client benefits like Jabber and WebEx, PO requirements, and how to position entry-level versus executive models. Finally, you will learn cloud collaboration concepts such as SaaS delivery, WebEx meetings and Teams integration, trade-offs between cloud and on-premises conferencing, subscription licensing benefits, and cloud security considerations. Security is 25% of the exam and focuses on positioning threat-centric security solutions within the Express Foundation framework, with medium difficulty and about 10 hours of study suggested. You will learn how next-generation firewalls fit in branches, including Cisco ASA with firepower services, application visibility and control, intrusion prevention benefits, malware protection positioning, and how to size a firewall for an SMB. The syllabus also covers remote access with Cisco AnyConnect, teaching the value of remote VPN, endpoint posture assessment, always-on connectivity, clientless SSL scenarios, and licensing models. Cloud security topics include Cisco Umbrella and DNS layer protection, secure web gateway capabilities, protecting off-network users, and strategies to reduce malware infection rates. Wireless is 25% of the exam and concentrates on sales strategies for on-premises and cloud-managed wireless mobility, with medium difficulty and about 7 hours of study recommended. You will learn the Cisco AeroNet and Catalyst access point portfolio, the basics of 802.11 AC and Wi-Fi 6, antenna choices, clean air value, power requirements for high-density deployments, and client link performance enhancements. The wireless LAN controller section explains centralized versus distributed management, virtual WLC deployment, scalability for branch and campus, redundancy and high availability, and integrated security functions. Meraki Cloud-Managed Wireless is also covered, focusing on the benefits of a cloud dashboard, zero-touch provisioning, how to position the MR series, integrated analytics, and subscription-based support models. Foundation is 25% of the exam and builds core routing and switching architectures that support small to medium business networks, with medium difficulty and about 8 hours of study time advised. You will study the Cisco Catalyst switching portfolio to understand Layer 2 versus Layer 3 switching, stacking technology, PO and PO Plus considerations for collaboration and wireless, energy-saving features, and smart operations for easier deployments. The Integrated Services Router topic covers converged voice and data services, application experience features, network functions virtualization, typical branch office connectivity scenarios, and how to integrate high-performance security. Cisco Prime Infrastructure completes the domain with unified wired and wireless management, life cycle and configuration management, application visibility and monitoring, simplified rollout, and reporting for compliance. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Cisco Authorized Connected Grid Engineer Knowledge Verification exam. Allocate roughly 33 hours across these 4 25% domains. Focus on scenario-based practice and solution positioning, and combine conceptual study with hands-on or simulated examples to maximize your readiness.